A manhunt is continuing for the gangsters who shot and injured 2 soldiers in St. James this morning. The incident occurred in Richmond Hill, and St. James is still under a state of public emergency. Civil Military Cooperation and Media Officer, the Jamaica Defence Force, Major Basil Jarrett, says the soldiers were shot by men who engaged them in a heated gun battle.
There was a shootout and 2 of our soldiers were shot. Their injuries are not life-threatening, and at this point they're still being treated in hospital, but their injuries are not life-threatening. The operation is still ongoing, and we're still in pursuit of those men.
He could not confirm whether any of the gunmen were shot. The police say a joint military team was searching for Delano Wilmot, otherwise called Precky, and his cronies. They say Mr. Wilmot was a member of the Ryan Ratty Peterkin gang, and since the fatal shooting of Ratty, Mr. Wilmot has taken over the helm. The police say Mr. Wilmot is being sought in connection with several murders, shootings and armed robberies in the Retrieve, Cambridge and Catadupa areas of St. James.